lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that this feeling is taking over. Can we take our time? I wanna savor us. Every thought on my mind of you and I getting together. Gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya, I wanna love ya, I wanna love ya. So come on over, come on over. I wanna touch, kiss ya. The way you make me feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something this good. You're all I ever wanted. I can't believe we started out friends. Oh, it's like we were meant to be lovers. All I wanna do is feel you on my skin. Oh, let this feeling take me over. The way you take your time makes everything better. You were just on my mind. Now here we are getting together. I gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya, I wanna love ya, I wanna love ya. So come on over, come on over. I wanna touch, kiss ya. The way you make me feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something this good. You're all I ever wanted. Gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya, I wanna love ya, I wanna love ya. So come on over, come on over. I wanna touch, kiss ya. The way you make me feel is precious. I want this feeling forever. Oh, I'll never be the same. Can't believe we found something this good. You're all I ever wanted. All I ever wanted.
But it's time to say goodbye. Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand with you. Thought it would last forever. Oh, you should have loved me better. Should have loved me better. 'Cause we might still be together before we split up. Always believed we would never. Till the afternoon, till the afternoon. That was when the moon started to become moon. Oh, so I surrendered. 'Cause I couldn't see things getting better. No, in the afternoon, in the afternoon. I could do, now you're in my review. Yeah. Oh. Hasn't always been this wrong or this bad, but after some time I realized you and I were in the match. You should have loved me better, should have loved me better, 'cause we might still be together before we split up. Always believed we would never, till the afternoon, till the afternoon. That was when the moon started to become moon. Oh. So I surrendered, 'cause I couldn't see things getting better. No. In the afternoon, in the afternoon, in the afternoon, in the afternoon, did what I could do, now you're in my review.